Ever stared at your phone, ready to snag that must-have item or cover an unexpected bill, only to be met with the frustrating message that Beforepay isn't accepting your payment? You're not alone. It's a common snag that can leave you scratching your head. So, what gives? Why might Beforepay be putting the brakes on your transaction? Let's dive into some of the most likely reasons. One of the primary culprits could be related to your account standing. Beforepay, like any financial service, relies on responsible usage. If you've missed repayments in the past, or if your account is currently overdue, this could definitely be the reason your payment isn't going through. They need to ensure that outstanding balances are settled before allowing further transactions. It's always a good idea to log into your Beforepay app and check the status of your previous advances and repayments. Another factor to consider is your linked payment method. Is the debit card you're trying to use still valid? Has it expired? Are the details, the card number, expiry date, and CVV, entered correctly within the Beforepay app? Sometimes, a simple typo or an outdated card can be the unexpected roadblock. Double-checking these details can often resolve the issue swiftly. Beyond your account and payment details, Beforepay also has internal risk assessments in place. Their system analyzes various factors to determine the eligibility for each transaction. This might include the amount you're trying to borrow, your repayment history, and potentially even external credit information. If the transaction triggers their risk parameters, it might be declined as a precautionary measure. While the exact algorithms are proprietary, understanding that this layer of security exists can help explain some declined payments. It's also worth considering if you've reached your borrowing limit. Beforepay assigns a spending limit to each user based on their individual circumstances. If the purchase you're trying to make pushes you over that limit, the payment will naturally be declined. You can usually find information about your current spending limit within the Beforepay app. Technical glitches, while less frequent, can also play a role. Sometimes, there might be a temporary issue with the Beforepay app or their payment processing system. While they usually work quickly to resolve such issues, it's worth checking their social media channels or support pages for any reported outages. In such cases, the best course of action is often to wait a little while and try again. Finally, ensure that your Beforepay app is up to date. Using an outdated version of the app can sometimes lead to compatibility issues and payment failures. Check your device's app store to see if there are any pending updates for Beforepay and install them if necessary. So, the next time you encounter that frustrating payment not accepted message, take a deep breath and run through these potential reasons. Checking your account status, payment details, understanding borrowing limits, and ensuring your app is updated are all crucial steps in troubleshooting the issue. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.